Hey, Bobby, I was telling you about that scalping business and trade stuff. So I'm doing this now on a 13.2 chart since it's a faster one, just to play with it. I'm not just going to use the defaults from today's version is 2901. Today's date, it's 29. So in case you didn't get today's version, it's available, at least for the desktop version. I'm just going to go down to Group B, which is trade management, and I'm just going to put 10 ticks in there. I'm going to leave it at 34. So basically we're still looking at a 1 to 3 or 1 to 3.5. But I found that if you start tightening that up, you just get whipped out because it's just always whippy. So that's the nature of the beast. So, a couple times you take a loser, but what are you going to do? As long as there's more winners, we're all right. So let me just throw this on. It starts at 9:35 is my default timer, and auto go. And let's let it do its thing. Yeah, so there's our timer. Or let me put on my status box. Boom. There, I'll start it there. And let's just let it rip. See what happens. Now, again, it's a smaller time frame. Entry zone long. Oh, there. Now I'm on. And orders to stop filled. Yeah, see? One winner, two, basically a 3 loss. Target filled. So there's two. There you go. Now we're back even tied, basically. Entry zone long. It's all about the quantity. As long as you get the quantity, you could win. It's just like the roulette table. Target filled. Entry. Stop. Target filled. Entry zone. Entry zone. Target. Yeah, I'll probably got to be changing the defaults to take the markers off on default. It's in the plots group 4 because in the auto mode it just kind of fills up your chart too much, and you don't need to see them in auto mode. You obviously need, if you're trading manually, you obviously want to see them. But who trades manually anymore? Entry zone short. Anyway, so we're into it for an hour. No, 30 minutes, I guess. Entries. It's all about the numbers. Here, let's look at here, let me look at this. Strategy performance. Real time. Okay, so let's I personally like ticks. All right, so here we go. 642. Okay, so profit factor 239. I'm looking for 1.5 or better. Winning trades 24. Total trades 27. Winning trades 24. That's pretty good. Losing trades 3. So keep in mind those 3 were at, that it equates to like 9 if you think about it because of the size, but you got to deal with it. The average, the heat you got to take is 10 ticks. And I don't trust these only because of the way they do them. So I don't really care for these numbers. I prefer mine anyway. But anyway, so the MAE is 10 ticks of heat. And then obviously 11 ticks is our target. So that must have been the, I don't know what happened there. So I don't really trust these numbers. 11 ticks. Yeah, I can kind of see it. It's the Renko. But needless to say, it's all in the numbers. So, for what is it, 1 hour, not even an hour. So 45 minutes of trade, $600. I'll do that all day long. So anyway, that's just a short snippet of where I'm going with this. And once I get these, these numbers up here are just a snapshot of the DNA. I'm adding another one to the right of that, so the range. And once we really kind of dive into this, we'll really be able to really fine tune it. Because ultimately the game plan is that I want it to be able to realize what the market's doing and giving, and then it will decide, Helix, he will decide, what the best targets are, because that's where I have the dynamic targets and the dynamic stops. And based on what the market's doing and its, market range and tides and all that stuff, it will be able to determine, even though you might have 50 ticks of target that you want. But if it's not given that and the range is maybe 40, it will just move it down to like 38, just before that. So anyway, that's where I'm going. We'll keep playing. All right, bye.